Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you're engine swapping your BMW E30 chassis and you're having issues with the tight clearance of that engine compartment, we developed a booster delete kit to free up a lot of space and make that engine swap a whole lot easier. Let's take a closer look. As with all things SIKKY, this kit is made 100% in the USA. This kit was engineered for a simple and trouble-free installation. The foundation of this booster delete kit surrounds our 6061 billet aluminum adapter plate, which adapts the 4-bolt pattern from your E30 firewall to this Wilwood master cylinder. The kit is available as just the hardware kit and the bracket itself, as well as the lines and fittings, and you can choose to add the master cylinder at the time of checkout or supply your own master cylinder. The included line kit makes it very easy to hook this up to your factory braking system. We recommend the 5/8 master cylinder for proper pedal feel and stiffness. But if you're running larger brakes, you may need to upgrade to a 3/4 inch master cylinder. The kit includes the high-grade hardware needed for installation, as well as the clevis to allow this master cylinder to bolt right up to the factory brake pedal. Due to the low-profile design, this booster delete kit frees up a whole lot of space on the firewall, making plenty of room for almost any engine swap combination. To learn more about this BMW E30 Booster Delete Kit or the other products we make for your BMW, be sure to log on to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.